Welcome and thanks for joining me today. Ready to sculpt your abs, burn some calories and have fun? So you are in the right place. In this video, we will target our abs from all different angles and sculpt our waist standing up. No equipment, only body weight. We've got one circuit. We are going to do each exercise for 30 seconds, no rest in between, and we are going to repeat the entire circuit twice. Make sure you are tucking your pelvis under and keeping your ribcage down. That will help you to engage your core more and get the most out of this standing ab workout. Always listen to your body and go with your own pace and enjoy the burn. All right, let's do this. Woohoo! All right, are you ready? Bring the arms in front of you, interlock all 10 fingers, release your index, tuck your pelvis under, engage your core, and let's begin. Twisting from your waist, connect to your breath. Audible exhale. Keep the hips forward, only twist from your waist. Crunch, stretch, crunch. Working on oscillation of stretching, crunching, stretching, crunching. Engage your core. And change. All right, side crunch, front crunch, side and front. Tummy engaged. Last one. And change. Make sure you are breathing. Exhale on the effort. Stretch, crunch, stretch, crunch. Take those arms around. Feel your abs stretching. You got this. Breathe and change. side bend. Sliding the fingers down the leg, all the way down towards your heel. Try to go as low as you can. Feel the crunch on one side, the stretch on the other side. Sculpting our waist. Get into a squat. Side crunch. Front crunch. Side. Cross body. Last exercise for this round, and we're going to repeat all over again. And let's do this. See if you can go a little further away with your twist. Tummy engaged. Draw your navel in and up. Twist from your waist. Stretch, crunch, stretch, crunch. The balance here is tricky, so you have to engage your core to find that stability. Change side. Begin to make that mind-body connection. Notice what you do with your body, how you breathe, how you crunch, how you stretch. Oblique crunch, front crunch, oblique, front. Change side. Last one. Arms up. Let's go around the world. Woohoo! Engage your core. You got this! Woo! Almost there! 3 more exercises to go, and that's it. Give me your best. Give yourself your best. And change. Side bend. Can you go a little deeper? Can you slide those fingers a little lower? To our last exercise. Woo! Side body. Across. Crunch it. Five seconds to go. Woo! Woohoo! Shake everything off. Let's do a little cool down. Just sway side to side. Let's stretch. Stretch the front. Take a big breath in. Hands to heart. One more, just like that. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart, and applause to yourself. Good job, you did it. I'm dying to hear what was the favorite movement, favorite exercise for this standing ab workout. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you want to see more fun videos like this one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos of mine that I release every single week. Thank you so much for breaking a sweat with me today, for tuning in, for moving your body, for your beautiful energy. I wish you all the best. From my heart to yours, God bless you. Woohoo!